At Emitwise, I am a customer success and sustainability manager, which means that I have the luxury of supporting our customers on their journey to net zero, but also internally looking after our own environmental performance and looking to ensure that we're walking the talk. Emitwise is a carbon management platform which helps our customers to measure, manage, and ultimately reduce their emissions, both in their operations and their supply chain. As a growing SaaS company, the bulk of our emissions arise in our supply chain, and the first thing we looked at was to see how we could reduce the emissions arising from our purchase of technology equipment, which led us to partner with Klyk. Klyk reached out to us a couple of years ago, and we were very impressed by their messaging, their mission, as well as the fact they were part of the B Corp community, a strong signal of their values and what they stand for as an organization. Klyk has helped us both from a financial and an environmental point of view. First of all, they've helped us reduce the cost of purchasing new tech for our team members, but also from an environmental point of view, we can now see the reduced environmental impact of purchasing laptops and other electronic equipment. More importantly, I believe it sends a strong signal to our new joiners when they join. First thing they will see is a refurbished laptop on their desk, which sends a strong signal of everything we stand for as an organization. It was very quick to be set up with Klyk due to the fact that they were very diligent in understanding our needs by when we needed the laptop for our new joiners and ensuring that it would be delivered on time. Klyk exceeded our expectations at every stage of the process, from the initial conversations we had to the onboarding process to the ongoing support, and we've really enjoyed the communications we've received from them, which highlight the environmental savings we're making by purchasing refurbished technology. For anyone considering purchasing refurbished technology, I would first recommend to measure the environmental impact of your organization to see if it is material to you and see if there's other things you should be focusing on to reduce your carbon emissions. But more importantly, when it comes to selecting a provider of refurbished technology, I'd encourage you to look out for ones that have strong environmental credentials, such as being part of the B Corp community. And I think that Klyk ticks all of those boxes.